I'm Dan Ackerman, and we are here taking a very first look at the new Dell XPS 15Z. Now, Dell claims that this 15Z is the thinnest 15-inch laptop in the world, although if you read the fine print, they really say it's the thinnest 15-inch PC in the world, by which they mean Windows laptop. That means you still have that 15-inch MacBook Pro to deal with. We're going to take a look in a minute and see which one is actually thinner. But before we get to that, there's still a lot to like about the XPS 15Z compared to even the current XPS 15-inch systems. The new 15Z, it's thinner, it's sleeker. The current ones were getting a little bulky there. This guy also has an optional 1080p display, which we always like seeing in a 15-inch laptop. The base model actually comes with a regular 1366 by 768 display, but you also get a backlit keyboard, which we always appreciate. There's some big speaker grills right here, and the audio is actually pretty decent. And you've got an NVIDIA 525M graphics card, which is a mid-level graphics card. You know, not for the super hardcore gamers. I guess that's what the Alienware line is for, but it was good enough for us to play a whole bunch of fairly recent PC games on it. We also like that there are two USB 3.0 jacks here, along with an older USB/E SATA combo. This is the first laptop that we've seen that doesn't have any just standalone USB 2.0 ports on it. The 15Z starts at a very friendly $999, but to upgrade it to a Core i7, to the bigger version of the NVIDIA 525M graphics card, and add a few other extras, you're looking at like $1,500, which is still not outrageous for what you get, and definitely less expensive than a comparably configured MacBook Pro. But if we take a look at that MacBook Pro, I just happen to have a 15-inch Pro right here. You know what? I hate to tell you, 15Z 0.97 inches thick, MacBook Pro 0.95, just a tiny bit thinner. But really, once you get down to this size, it really doesn't make that much of a big difference. Although if you're claiming the world's thinnest laptop, you know, obviously people are going to knock you for that. But other than that, the XPS 15Z is definitely a very decent high-end multimedia 15-inch laptop on par with the MacBook Pro or HP's Envy line. And if you're looking for something that's pretty fancy but starts at under $1,000 and you can live with those lower-end entry-level configurations, then it's definitely worth checking out. I'm Dan Ackerman, and that is the Dell XPS 15Z.